Welcome to Authio. How to use Authio OTP authentication for Shopify. This video explains how to set up and use the Authio OTP authentication for Shopify plugin with Authio.io. To configure Authio in your Shopify store, first log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Log in using your email credentials. After successful login, from the left sidebar, go to the Apps section. In the search bar at the top, type Authio to quickly find the app and search. Once Authio appears, click Install to add the Authio plugin to your Shopify store. After click on Install button, the Authio pop-up window will automatically open inside your Shopify store. Now, to add Authio to your Shopify store, click the Install button and the plugin will be installed. After installation, when you open Authio for the first time, you'll be asked to verify your email address to complete your registration. Enter your email ID in the provided field, make sure it's accurate, as your verification code will be sent there. Next, click on the Send Verification Code button. An OTP will be delivered to your registered email address. Now, check your inbox for the OTP from Authio and enter the code in the verification screen to confirm your email. Once your email verification is complete, the next step is to choose the application you want to use for OTP authentication. By default, Authio automatically creates an application named My App, which is pre-configured to send OTPs to your users. This app supports multiple OTP delivery options, including email, SMS, WhatsApp and voice call, ensuring secure and flexible verification for your customers. All OTP data is securely stored for up to 180 days. Now, click on the Continue button to proceed with this default setup. And remember, you can always update or modify these settings later as per your business needs. Before you start using OTP login on your Shopify store, there's one final step, completing your store settings. This step ensures that your OTP login widget is properly configured and works smoothly with your store's login and customer flow. You'll see two options here. You can either skip the setup for now or complete it right away. To continue, simply click on Complete Required Store Settings and follow the steps to integrate the OTP widget seamlessly into your Shopify store. Let's quickly walk through the store settings to ensure your Authio integration runs perfectly. First, ensure your store login links are enabled in your Shopify settings. This allows your customers to easily access the login page. Next, make sure the legacy version of customer accounts is selected. This version works best with Authio's secure authentication system. Then, hide the default Shopify login sections to create a seamless and branded login flow for your customers. Finally, disable Edge CAPTCHA to ensure a smooth, uninterrupted login experience without extra verification steps. You can now begin setting up Authio as per your store's unique requirements. In this section, where you can easily customize your login page and OTP setting. To customize your login page, click on the Customize button. In the Page View section, you can customize the login widget specifically for desktop and tablet users. This layout is ideal for creating a full-screen experience with a clean and comprehensive design that looks great on larger screens. In the Mobile View section, you can tailor the login widget for mobile devices. This version is optimized with a compact, touch-friendly interface and delivers a smooth, streamlined experience for your mobile customers. To customize your page view, click on the Customize button. First, you can customize the page content directly from this section. This includes updating the login title, phone title, placeholders and email labels etc. Ensuring that all text reflects your brand's tone, style and communication guidelines. You can also adjust any helper text or instructions to make the login process clearer and more user-friendly for your customers. As you make changes, the live preview on the right updates in real time, so you can see exactly how your login page will appear to your customers. Here, you can also customize visual elements such as colors and button styles to perfectly match your brand identity, creating a seamless and professional login experience for your customers. Additionally, you can upload your store's custom logo directly from this panel. Simply click Add Files and upload your logo in GIF, JPG or PNG format. Your logo and theme updates will appear instantly in the live preview, making it easy to visualize how your final login screen will look. With Auth0, your customers also get the flexibility of multiple login options. They can log in via mobile, email, voice call, WhatsApp, or even through social logins like Gmail, Microsoft, and Facebook. Under the Settings tab, you can choose which OTP verification options to make available for your users. You have the flexibility to enable or disable login through different channels, including mobile, email, voice call, WhatsApp, Gmail, Microsoft, and Facebook. As you make changes, the live preview on the right updates instantly. With Auth0, you have complete control over how customers log into your Shopify store. Choose the OTP channels that work best for your business and give your users a secure, seamless login experience. Next, to customize your mobile view, click on the Customize button. Just like the page view customization, here you can also edit and customize the mobile login page to match your store's branding and user experience. In this section, you can customize everything for the mobile view, including text, colors, layout, and content. Next, in the OTP template section, you can customize the OTP message length and expiry time for messages sent to your customers via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. To make these changes, click on the Customize button. Here, you can set the OTP length, which determines how many digits your OTP will have. You can choose any number between 4 and 8 digits. The default is 6 digits, which is generally considered both secure and convenient. The next setting is OTP expiry time, which decides how long the OTP will remain valid. You can set it anywhere from 30 seconds to 600 seconds. By default, it is set to 60 seconds. Once you've configured all the settings, to click the Save button at the bottom. Next, let's take a look at the OTP dashboard. This is your OTP dashboard. At the top, you'll find a real-time overview of your account, including your balance, the total OTPs sent, along with the count of verified and unverified OTPs. Then OTP transactions. Here, you'll find a comprehensive log of all OTP activities, whether sent via SMS, voice call, email, or WhatsApp. You can quickly filter transactions by date using the drop-down in the top right corner. And for deeper insights, you can also export detailed reports for analysis and record keeping. Next, let's take a look at the Auth0 pricing. Auth0 offers flexible plans for businesses of all sizes. Choose monthly or yearly subscriptions, with the free plan including social login at no cost. Each plan comes with different features and rates for SMS, WhatsApp, email, QR code, voice call, and authenticator, with higher plans offering better margins and lower costs. Click Select to pick the plan that best fits your business. Next, Help and Support section. Here, you can easily contact the Auth0 support team using simple contact form. Enter your email, subject, and message, then click Send Feedback. In the user guide, you'll find comprehensive guidance, including step-by-step instructions and solutions to common questions, making it easy to get instant answers whenever you need them. With Auth0 on Shopify, You can provide your customers with a secure, seamless, and fully branded login experience. Get started today and take your Shopify store's security and user experience to the next level.